right, today we're going to show you how to make a lovely, skinny Gino. Unlike that competitor across the street who makes the fat Vito. That guy's a real piece of shit. I don't like him. All right, first thing we got to do. See that? That's called capicola. And it's delicious. Then we're going to slam down some good old-fashioned salami. You can find this in any deli worth a shit. And if they don't have salami, then the deli is garbage, and you have every right to drive your truck through it. Then after that, we're going to sit here and struggle with this package for a little bit. Because if we knew what we were doing, we would have had it opened already. And then you want to add this pancetta. If you don't have pancetta for whatever reason, one, you're a loser. But two, just use bacon. It's kind of the same thing. Nice little layer of pancetta. Give the hands a quick wash. And now it's time to add some pepperonis to this. Just one little skinny line. Don't want to be like that piece of shit Vito and add too many pepperonis. That'd just be insane. Then you want to grab yourself a can of water and time to add some provolone cheese. Every Italian sandwich should have some provolone cheese. If it doesn't have provolone cheese, probably going to be fucking garbage. And then some freshly shredded Parmesan on the other side, and pop this into a 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Okay, after 10 minutes, you should have something looking like this. Nice little layer of freshly ground black pepper atop the provolone. And then just a little itty-bitty bit of Italian dressing to go along with that. And there you have it. The skinny Gino. Much better than the fat Vito. And if that fat, stupid piece of shit doesn't shut his fucking mouth soon, he's gonna be sleeping with the goddamn fishes.